Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Bamboo Wood Cutting Board. The wooden cutting boards for kitchen meal prep serving are a versatile and eco-friendly addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable bamboo wood, this set includes multiple sizes to handle all your slicing, dicing, and serving needs. Bamboo is naturally resistant to scratches and stains, making these boards both long-lasting and easy to maintain. The smooth surface is gentle on knives, preserving their sharpness over time. Designed with built-in juice grooves, they catch excess liquids to keep your workspace clean. These boards double as elegant serving platters for cheese, charcuterie, or appetizers. Lightweight yet sturdy, they're easy to handle and store. The non-toxic, BPA-free material ensures safe food preparation. Their natural finish adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with this practical and stylish bamboo cutting board set. Sondico Refillable Kitchen Torch. The Sondico Butane Torch S400 is a professional-grade kitchen tool perfect for culinary and household tasks. Its refillable design ensures long-lasting use, while the adjustable flame control allows precision for everything from caramelizing crème brûlée to searing meat. The torch features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition, ensuring safe operation in the kitchen. With its durable, high-quality construction, it withstands high temperatures and frequent use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip for easy handling. Its versatile design also makes it great for soldering, crafting, and lighting fires. The S400 torch is compatible with most butane canisters, making refilling simple and convenient. A visible fuel gauge lets you monitor usage at a glance. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home and professional kitchens. Elevate your cooking game with the powerful and reliable Sondico Butane Torch S400. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan set offers durability and versatility for everyday cooking. This two-piece set includes 8-inch and 10-inch pans, perfect for sautéing, frying, and more. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum, these pans are scratch-resistant and built to last. The nonstick interior ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, while being safe for metal utensils. Tefal's signature thermospot technology indicates when the pan is preheated and ready to cook, ensuring perfect results every time. The riveted silicone handles provide a comfortable, secure grip and remain cool on the stovetop. Oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, these pans offer added cooking flexibility. Their lightweight yet sturdy design makes them easy to handle and maneuver. Compatible with all stovetops except induction, this set is ideal for any kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience with the Tefal Ultimate Nonstick Fry Pan Set. Potato Ricer. Effortlessly create smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes with the Priority Chef large 15-ounce potato ricer. Designed with a large capacity bowl, it holds up to 15 ounces of potatoes, making meal prep faster and easier. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this ricer is durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. Perfect for potatoes, it's also versatile for mashing other vegetables like carrots, cauliflower, and yams. The perforated basket design delivers consistent, lump-free results every time. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's a breeze to maintain. Ideal for home chefs and anyone who loves smooth, creamy textures. Enhance your kitchen tools with this must-have gadget, perfect for creating restaurant-quality sides and dishes at home. OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. The OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder delivers precision and convenience for the perfect cup of coffee. Its durable stainless steel conical burrs provide uniform grinding, enhancing flavor and aroma. With 15 grind settings plus micro adjustments, it's ideal for everything from espresso to French press. The one-touch start timer remembers your last setting, simplifying your coffee routine. The 12-ounce hopper holds plenty of beans and features a UV blocking tint to preserve freshness. Its static-fighting grounds container prevents messes and holds up to 110 grams, enough for 12 cups. The grinder's sleek, compact design fits effortlessly into any kitchen. Easy to clean and maintain, it ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts, it offers consistent, high-quality results every time. Elevate your coffee experience with the OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. ShineStar Universal Propane Tank Gauge. The ShineStar Universal Propane Tank Gauge is a reliable tool for monitoring propane levels with ease. Designed to fit all QCC1 Type 1 connections, it works with most propane tanks, grills, and RV appliances. The color-coded dial provides clear readings for different levels, full, low, or refill, no batteries required. Made from heavy-duty brass, it ensures durability, weather resistance, and a secure, leak-free connection. Its easy-to-install design allows you to attach it to your propane tank in seconds. The gauge offers peace of mind by preventing unexpected fuel shortages during cooking or outdoor activities. Compact and lightweight, it's convenient to take on camping trips or tailgating events. Ideal for year-round use, it performs reliably in all weather conditions. Compatible with various propane devices, it's a versatile addition to your outdoor gear. Stay prepared with the ShineStar Universal Propane Tank Gauge. Stainless Steel Butter Spreader. The stainless steel butter spreader is a versatile 3-in-1 kitchen gadget designed to make buttering, slicing, and spreading effortless. Made from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and built to last. The tool features a serrated edge for cutting bread or butter blocks, a flat side for spreading butter evenly, and unique perforations for creating decorative butter curls. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for any task. Perfect for butter, jams, spreads, and more, it's a must-have for breakfast and snack preparation. The sleek, modern design complements any kitchen style and is easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Lightweight and compact, it's convenient for storage or travel. Whether you're hosting brunch or making a quick snack, this 3-in-1 butter spreader adds efficiency and elegance to your kitchen routine. OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper. The OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper is a versatile tool designed to simplify kitchen tasks. Crafted with a durable stainless steel blade, it easily chops, slices, and scrapes dough, vegetables, and more. The broad, beveled edge makes scooping and transferring ingredients quick and efficient. Its comfortable, non-slip handle ensures a secure grip, even with wet hands. Measurement markings etched into the blade provide precision for portioning and cutting dough. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to handle and store. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance for everyday use. Dishwasher safe, it's simple to clean, saving you time in the kitchen. Ideal for baking, cooking, and meal prep, this bench scraper adds versatility to your tools. Elevate your efficiency with the OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper and Chopper. SS&CC Little Small Baking Sheets Nonstick Set. The SS&CC Little Small Baking Sheets Nonstick Set is a versatile addition to any kitchen, perfect for baking, roasting, and more. These compact baking sheets are designed to fit small ovens, toaster ovens, or air fryers, making them ideal for single servings or small portions. Made from durable carbon steel, they ensure even heat distribution for perfectly cooked results. The non-stick coating allows for easy food release and effortless cleanup. Scratch-resistant and long-lasting, these pans are built for everyday use. Their rolled edges prevent warping at high temperatures, ensuring durability over time. Lightweight and easy to handle, they are perfect for quick meals or baking projects. Dishwasher safe, they simplify cleanup and save time. The sleek black finish adds a touch of modern style to your kitchen. Upgrade your bakeware with the reliable SSCC Small Baking Sheets non-stick set. Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make delicious frozen treats at home. With its powerful motor and unique Creamify technology, it transforms frozen bases into smooth, creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and more. The unit features 7 one-touch programs, including options for sorbet, milkshake, and smoothie bowls. It comes with a 1.5-quart bowl capacity, perfect for making multiple servings of your favorite frozen desserts. The machine's easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance, and its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen. Whether you're craving indulgent ice cream or healthier alternatives, the Creamy delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. The innovative blade system ensures consistent texture and prevents icy crystals. The Creamy Ice Cream Maker is compatible with a variety of frozen bases, offering endless customization possibilities. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Enjoy homemade frozen treats in the comfort of your own home with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker.